5 product photos, a text prompt, 20 minutes. That's all it took to go from these static images to a 3-minute video that actually looks like something a creative agency would charge you thousands of dollars to produce. The tool is Pika Labs. And today on Pixel Proof, I'm giving you the full review. What it does, what it costs, where it falls down, and whether it's worth adding to your content stack. Every video I make on this channel is built with the tool I'm reviewing. So the footage you're watching right now, all of you, came out of Pika Labs. Let's get into it. So what is Pika? Pika Labs is an AI video platform built specifically around image to video generation. You start with a static image, a product photo, an illustration, a screenshot, a photo you took, and Pika animates it. It infers motion from context. A coffee cup on a table gets steam rising. A car gets the background blurring past. A person gets subtle breathing and blinking. The result is a clip that looks like it was filmed rather than created. Pika 2.0 is their current model. They also have Pika 2.2 in select access, which adds smoother transitions and better scene extension. I'll know where the differences show up. Pricing, Pika has a free tier with limited generations per day. Good for testing. The basic plan is $8 a month. Standard is $24. Pro is $55. The difference is monthly credit allocation and maximum video length. For a YouTube channel producing 2 videos per week, standard at $24 gives you comfortable headroom. The affiliate program is where Pika stands out for content creators. 30% recurring commission. That's the highest straight recurring rate in the AI video space. 11 Labs pays 22% for 12 months. CapCut pays up to 35%, but it's more variable. Pika's 30% recurring with no time limit is the cleanest deal in the field if your audience converts. Now let me show you exactly how I built the video you're watching. Step 1, source images. I pulled 5 images, a laptop on a dark desk, a smartphone screen showing an app interface, abstract tech lighting, a person typing, just hands, no face, and a close-up of a coffee cup. All images I found in the public domain or generated with Higgsfield's Nano Banana model. Step 2, upload and prompt. In Pika, you upload the image, then write a motion description. The prompt formula that works best. Describe what should move in what direction with what camera movement. For the laptop image I used, screen flickering to life, ambient light pulsing, camera slowly pulling back. For the coffee cup, steam rising in slow wisps, subtle table vibration, camera holding steady. Step 3, generate. Each clip takes 30 to 60 seconds at standard resolution. I generate all 5 clips in about 8 minutes, then I downloaded them and assembled the video. Here's what surprised me. Pika's motion quality on static objects is better than Higgsfield for certain types of footage, particularly anything with subtle ambient movement like smoke, steam, or water. The physics engine handles those small-scale motions more accurately. For large-scale cinematic camera moves, Higgsfield and Runway are still stronger. Pika owns the niche of make this still image look alive. Here's what didn't work. Scene transitions. When you're cutting between Pika clips and trying to maintain visual consistency, you'll notice that each clip has its own color treatment. Pika applies a slight stylization that varies by image. If your source images aren't visually consistent, your output clips won't be either. Solve this by using images from a single source or applying a LUT in post. Close-up text and logos in source images get distorted by the motion generation. Pika doesn't know that the pixels that say Adobe should stay legible. Any image with fine text or logos should be cropped or avoided. Now the 5-point scorecard, quality 4 out of 5. For ambient motion and product animation, Pika produces genuinely excellent results. Camera moves are limited compared to Higgsfield. The style variability between clips is the main deduction. Speed 4 out of 5. 30 to 60 seconds per clip is competitive with Higgsfield, faster than Runway. Pika's generation queue is consistent. I haven't experienced significant waits at peak hours. Price 5 out of 5. $8 a month for basic, $24 for standard. That's the most accessible entry pricing in the market for a tool that produces professional output. The 30% affiliate commission compounds the value for content creators. Learning curve, 4 out of 5. The interface is intuitive, drag image, write prompt, click generate. The learning is in prompt craft, specifically learning to describe motion in terms Pika understands. That took me about 2 sessions to figure out. Once you have the motion vocabulary locked, results are consistent. Affiliate value, 5 out of 5. 30% recurring is the highest clean recurring rate in the stack. If your audience is content creators who don't need full video generation but want to animate their existing photos or graphics, Pika is your highest converting affiliate. So, is Pika Labs worth it? For content creators who already have a library of product photos, brand images, or illustrations, yes, immediately. Pika turns assets you already own into video without requiring new footage, new prompts from scratch, or complex workflows. Standard plan at $24 is the right entry point. For full video production from scratch, pair Pika with Higgsfield. Use Higgsfield for establishing shots and cinematic B-roll. Use Pika to animate any product or still imagery in your pipeline. They complement each other perfectly. Pika Labs affiliate link is in the description. Standard plan is the recommendation. Next Tuesday, I'm putting CapCut's AI features against a real video editor in a head-to-head speed test. I'm going to build the same 30-second promo in both tools and show you the actual time difference. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This is pixel proof. Every tool reviewed, every video proven.